Well, hello and welcome back to the Arkansas house. Thought I would do a short little video here that we had a little issue with our water faucet. For some reason, we have hard water here where I live. This water hose has been connected for probably 2 years. I've been trying to get it off for a year and it wouldn't come off. This is on the outside faucet, plugs into the side of your house, and I've tried pipe wrenches, everything, could not get it off. So what I wound up having to do was just remove this from the house itself, and it's soldered on. This is the old house. It was built in 72, 73. So it was soldered on. They heated the pipe up, pulled this one off, put a new connection on. But now I still cannot get this piece off. And I have 100 foot of water hose here that I can't use. So what I was looking at doing is just showing you today, instead of throwing it away. Some of you may know how to do this, some of you may not, and that's the reason I'm doing it, is we're going to make this usable again. So you got your connection here. I'll go down a little bit because it's still in there. So we're just going to cut this water hose off, if my knife will cut through it. And now there's the old piece, and now we have a fresh connection. So I went to Lowe's, and they have two different types of connections. One has a connection that would screw onto the faucet on this end, and basically you take these two screws out, this plastic piece pulls apart, you put it in the hose, put the plastic piece on, and it tightens it up. I've used those in the past, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So what I did was I just bought the little piece, screws onto your faucet here. Already has a washer, and it also comes with a clamp. So we're going to try this one to see how it works. Hopefully everything comes about. So first off, we need a pair of pliers. Just to break everything up. Make sure that whenever you do that, make sure that you keep that rubber washer in there so that you don't lose it, because that's what squeezes up to the faucet on the outside to keep it from leaking. And then, as I showed you, I cut this piece off, and then this part, just we're going to take that washer off so I don't lose it and it fall through the crack of the back porch. So we just take this. Nope. First off, we're going to put the clamp on. Then we'll take this piece and you push it into the hose. So that you get a good seal. And then you bring your clamp up. This one is a flat blade screwdriver. Tighten this down. I guess it would have been better if I just brought my drill, but so you get that good and tight so that your water's not going to spray out this side, and then you put your rubber washer back inside so that it seals to the faucet really well. So let's go hook this to the faucet and see if it works. Okay, now let's see if this worked like it's supposed to. So we'll put it on the faucet. And as soon as we turn it on, we'll find out if it works. It's either going to spray us or we're going to have water. There we go. We have water spraying out. No leaks coming from here. I didn't get wet, so I'm calling it success.